Hey everybody, Ray here. I ran into a deal at Costco. They have these tool caddies, I think they call them, but it's a great place to hang up your battery-powered drills and things like that. And one of the things that I kind of liked about it is it comes with its own little charging station here. So, you know, when you've got your battery chargers all set up, you've got 2 or 3 plugs coming down from the battery chargers. In this case, it'll all be self-contained and I only have the one plug coming down into my outlet, which I think is going to be kind of convenient. I've thought about trying these before because I've made my own tool caddies in the past and they've worked great, but this seemed to be a more all-encompassing contained unit. So what I'm going to do is put this up, see how it looks, and if you like it, you might want to go out and look at one of these yourselves. So stick with me here, let's put this together. I'm going to fast forward through this so you don't have to live with every little screw that I do. And don't forget, if you like this video, I always appreciate that thumbs up. Well, as you can probably tell, it assembles very simply. And the instructions were clear. Each of the pieces seemed to fit together real well, so that's all a positive. Everything was just hand tightened. Now I have to go back in with the wrench, little wrench that they provide, and the Allen wrench that they provide, and tighten all of these bolts up. Now on the back of this are the slots where you're going to hang it onto the wall. I don't want to have to hold this up to the wall and mark it. So what I've done is I've taken a piece of paper here and I've cut it so it's about the same height, width of the shelf itself. And I'm going to tape this on here and then I can mark where the holes need to be, and then I can just hold this piece of paper up on the wall and decide where I want to put it and then put the holes in the appropriate place. Now with that paper on here, all I have to do is take a pencil, probably something you remember from school, and you can kind of trace over that hole and you can see now exactly where those mounting holes need to be. Using that paper template that we made worked out really well. Because we cut it to be the same size as this unit here, I could hold it up again on the wall and decide exactly where I wanted to put it, and then tape it on the wall and drill the holes where I had marked them, where the screws needed to be. And then I could just hold this up one time when I put it on the screws. I really like the fact that here's my batteries. I've got 2 of them charging right now. Both of my chargers plug into the safety plug unit they've got on the side here, as well as my Bose that I listen to my music on plugs in there. Here's my drill and my 2 drivers. Those are the only small tools that I've got like that. So over here, I just put my hammers, which was a great place to put those. Remember that there are these holes on each side to put screwdrivers, drill bits, whatever you think you'd like to put on there. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with them yet. And then there's some hangers down here if you need to hang something off of there. This shelf works out great. It's about twice the area that I had on that little shelf that I had down here before. So I put everything on there that I want to get to quickly. You know, we all have that little junk area where we tend to throw stuff, and that's what this is for me. Of course, I keep my Band-Aids out here because, you know, without fail, I'm going to cut myself doing a project somehow. But anyway, this little unit worked out really well. I can't recommend this specific unit to you only because I bought it at Costco. It was a seasonal item. I actually bought the last one. At Costco, the price was $50 or $60. I bought it for $30 because it was the last one. The box was damaged and they wanted to clear it out. So I got a really good price on it. But there are many of these for $40 to $60 on Amazon. So if you think you would like something like this tool caddy, particularly the kind that has the extension on here for your plugs that holds the battery, I highly recommend this. I think it really works out well. It's compact, yet it's organized. So hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget, give me that thumbs up. I appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next video.